O thou, the word of truth divine, O light I have not been, nor kept the day as holy thine, for thou dark spots hast seen. The day is down, night hath prevailed, my Lord I have belied. I vowed and thought to do, but failed, my steps did somewhere slide. There came a darkness from below, obscuring safety's way. Thy light, O Christ, again bestow, turn darkness into